잠깐 왔다 갈 사이였다고 우리
Hey friends, it's Gabby back here in front of you, and today I'll be doing a review on the Glam Up sheet mask. Before I start this video, I wanted to let you guys know that this video is in partnership with GoSelly, so thank you so much GoSelly for continuously reaching out to me to make these videos possible, so thank you so much. A little background on the Glam Up face masks. Basically, Glam Up is GoSelly's own brand of sheet masks, and these are exclusively sold on Amazon. The one they sent me is in a pack of 12, and it's called the Glam Up Full Set Supreme Edition. This is worth $16.90, and the cool thing about their sheet masks is that it has a 3-layered sheet, which is cool because usually face masks aren't that thick, or like it's not that layered. It claims to absorb fast and have a moisture grip. These are made in Korea, and all 12 of them have natural ingredients. As I said a while ago, they have 12 kinds. These 12 kinds fit almost any skin condition. So we have green tea, shea butter, tea tree, lemon, pomegranate, acai berry, tomato, aloe, avocado, sake, peppermint, and oatmeal. All of these kinds have different functions for your skin. It's a really good variety for your skin. I like it that they have like a huge variety of like the different kinds. Anyway, today I will be trying out the refreshing green tea, which calms any skin irritations, because right now I recently got into an allergic reaction earlier this week because I tried this new makeup product that my friend recommended, and I got an allergic reaction on it, and my skin was like puffy for a day. But yeah, hopefully this helps. And also my skin is also very dry right now. Let's officially get started with this video. It says here that it has extra serum, which I really like, because after doing face masks they usually have excess serum. I like putting it all over my body. And also, I will also be doing a tag while we're waiting for this thing. It's really easy to open too. Here we are. It smells really, really good. Which, by the way, fragrant products aren't really good for your skin, but hopefully this goes against what people say. Also, this is the first time I'm using this. First impressions, yay. Ooh, I like it. Kind of smells like a perfume. Oh cool! This face mask fits my face. Usually face masks don't exactly fit my face, so this is cool. Ooh, that's a lot of product. There you go. I hope this helps in moisturizing and hydrating my face, because it really is like in a bad condition right now. So it says here to leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. I'll keep it safe and I'll put it on for 25 minutes. So 25. Start. Okay. So anyway, let's start the tag. Basically the Perfect Imperfections Tag. It's where you talk about 3 insecurities and 3 things that you consider your best assets. I'm gonna start off with my insecurities. The first and foremost insecurity that I have is my weight. Honestly, my weight is pretty heavy for me. Actually just went to the gym today and I weighed myself, and it said I have a 24.4 BMI. I've been doing a lot of strength training over the past few months. It also contributes to my weight, and I'm getting heavier. I'm just really insecure about my weight because as a kid I was considered as fat, and I was always made fun of because of it, and people were body shaming me. And even today I feel very uncomfortable with how I look like in certain clothing and how completely unfit I am, and I'm trying to change that idea of me, because definitely it's something that I've been working on the past few years. Sorry if I'm like fidgeting. It's because like the serum is like getting out whenever I touch it. My next insecurity is my skin. Obviously right now my skin is fine, I guess you could say. it's fine. But a few months before, like in January, December, my skin was in a really bad condition. I had like breakouts all over my chin. I think it was like hormonal acne. And then I also had a bunch on my forehead and on my cheeks. They were everywhere. That is one of the reasons why I didn't get to film as much, because I really broke out and it made me super duper insecure. Even the people in school noticed how bad my skin was, because recently my skin started clearing up in February and March because of an acne cream that I used, which is the Neutrogena one. I stopped using it because I don't know if it's because of an allergic reaction or it's because stopped working on me. After that, a lot of people noticed how clear my skin was and how healthy and nice it looks, and they would like come up to me and say, oh, your skin looks really good right now and you look super duper pretty. I don't know, they kind of made me super insecure, and I had the responsibility to like keep it that way. And having like breakouts and dry skin and all that, it makes me really uncomfortable. I don't know, I just feel like I'm so prone to being made fun of when I feel like I'm super ugly. I kind of ripped it. My camera stopped filming, so anyway. My third and last thing that I'm most insecure about is my nose. As you can see, I have a Filipino nose. It's not visible right now, but like when I take this off, you would notice I have a very flat nose. Whenever I would see my nose, I get insecure, because in the Philippines, if you have the Filipino nose, people would call you bango, which means like you have a flat nose. So I was made fun of that all the time when I was a kid, and even until now, when I look at my nose, I find it really ugly. For some reason, the concept of my nose being a flaw stuck onto me. I would feel like I would be prone to being made fun of. As a kid, I always wanted a nose job for some reason because I wanted to fix my nose, but slowly but surely, I'm coming to terms with the way I look and how my nose is, because it's a part of me and it's the way it looked ever since I was a kid. So I don't think I want to change it anymore. It still remains as one of my insecurities. Okay, time for my favorite assets of myself. The first thing is my hair. My hair is this short and it's straight and it's not that damaged. I really like my hair because compared to my sisters, I have the most low maintenance hair ever. Even my mom says that, and I'm really happy about it. So yeah. Next thing that I find nice about me is my butt. That's kind of strange to say of me, but I really like my butt. My butt is like round and plump. It's pretty okay, decent size, and a lot of people say I have a nice butt, so thank you to those people. I just like it. It's a nice cushion. I can't say a lot about my best assets because I don't know, I don't have a lot to say about it. The last and final feature that I like the most are my eyebrows, because they're really full and I don't have any sparse areas really. I really like it. So it has this shape and it has all the things I want about it. I don't really have a lot to say about it. So now that we're done with the tag, I'm gonna review this while I'm using it, because you've got a lot of concerns. Number one, I like it because it doesn't sting you, because some face masks that I've used are really strong and they sting your face. Also, it's just 10 minutes before this thing rings, and it's basically just been 15 minutes since I put it on, and it's already like drying, especially here at the bottom, and I kind of ripped it, so it's a little— oh no, this one also ripped, I didn't see. So the sheet is kind of thin, I guess I could say. I was expecting it to be thick because it said it had 3 layers. Maybe my skin just soaked all the products up or something, but yeah, the smell kind of disappears over time, and it hugged my face a while ago pretty well, as you've seen, but I don't know about it right now. Oh yeah, if you didn't know, I washed my face before this because I went to the gym. Also took a shower, that's why my hair is a little damp. And after this, I actually have to eat and get ready. I won't put on makeup anymore because I'm just gonna eat dinner out. I hope it gets rid of the redness on my skin, because I had a new pimple right here and here and over here. And my skin is also peeling. Right now it's like not in the best condition, but a few days ago it was. So yeah, I think I can't wait long enough because it's drying up anyways. So I'll just put it on my neck. So let's take it off. There we go. Will it still stick? Oof, unfortunately not. So this is how my skin looks. Looks pretty dewy. And it feels very firm. Wow. So here are my full-on thoughts on this sheet mask. Number one pro that I see here is that you get 12 for 16, which is around $1.40 each. I think that's a steal because compared to other sheet mask brands, it's pretty affordable, but there are also cheaper alternatives, but I can't say for sure if they work well or not. My face isn't itchy. Instead, it's actually dewy and hydrated. A while ago, it was really dry. So I'm really glad. I hope it stays that way. It kind of stopped my irritation. I'm pretty glad that it's okay. Let's move on to the cons of this. First is that the sheet is really easy to rip and tear. I was expecting more from it because it said that it had 3 layers of sheet. My next concern is that it dries really easily. It says here on the back that you have to leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. So I left it on for like 15-16 minutes because it was starting to get dry on the lower half of my face, which is kind of sad because I really like it. And my last con is that it has fragrance. They say that products with fragrance on it is kind of bad for your skin. In fact, I kind of liked the aromatic smell of it. It kind of reminds me of a smell of a mall. Like there's this one mall in the Philippines that smells like this. It smells really good there. So it smells like that. Overall, I think I would rate it an 8 out of 10. It's like pretty good. Does whatever a sheet mask does. The 2 points that like became the reason why it was an 8 was because of the easily ripping and easily drying. Also, I refrigerated this before I used it. Anyway, I think that's it for today's video. Once again, thank you GoSelly for making this video possible. Really love it. I'm not gonna lie. I love them because it's so cute and pretty. So aesthetically pleasing. I love the packaging. I forgot to mention that. I love the packaging. All of them have their own kicks and stuff like that, so I really like that. I do recommend this. That is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much GoSelly for continuously reaching out to me. I appreciate it so much and I love you guys. Anyway, that's it for today's video. As I was saying, I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Hi, I'm Gabby. I'm a 16-year-old YouTuber that does beauty, lifestyle, travel, and if you want to see more of that kind of stuff, be sure to subscribe. I would love that and it would mean the world to me. I gotta eat food and I'll see you guys later. So I'm gonna go head out and may your day be as bright as the sun. Bye!
Sorry, bitch, to shame. Life, fall in